salmon uni rice bowl. Yeah. Right?
Was that it?
Oh no, I'll redo it. I'll redo it. My name is Kyungbin and this is Sujin. And today we made salmon and uni over seasoned rice with a side of kamte seaweed and fresh wasabi. To start, we have rice. This is already just cooked rice. I like to use a medium grain just because it has a better mouthfeel and texture to it versus like jasmine where it's more softer. A lot of Asians use this, especially in like Japanese cuisine as well. If you go to like sushi spots, they'll use like short to medium grain rice. So to the rice, I pre-season it with a little bit of yondu, about a tablespoon of sesame oil, and this is the fresh sesame oil from Korea. I'll add a little bit of tobiko, which is just like fish roll, a little bit of masago as well. To add a little bit of sesame seeds on the side. Seaweed, and then this is just gonna add like flavor and texture to the rice. Then I'll just toss in a little bit of chives. Some seaweed. I'm just adding uni because uni adds like this buttery seafood flavor to it. So it adds a different texture on top of like the flavor of the uni itself. And salmon and uni just go very like hand in hand together. So like even a lot of like the components of this dish is all technically from you can think of it as like the terroir of like the ocean. So you have the salmon, the uni, the seaweed, the tobiko. So everything's from the ocean. So I think in terms of philosophy, it's just having all those different like textures and flavors of the ocean. Good uni, I think it's very visual. When you see bad uni, you'll see the colors of everything. Or there'll be a darker color. Sometimes there'll be even like a darker brown. You want uni to be like bright, fresh, and if you can see like the individual tongues, is a very good sign. And this is just ikura, which is salmon roe. And then just give it a little garnish. I like to serve this with a little bit of kamte seaweed on the side. And if you can go to like a Korean market, they have something called fresh wasabi, which is like almost like a wasabi relish. It's just like a little better version of just like store-bought like powder wasabi, but it does have a little bit of a kick. And then so initially you could just eat it like this, or take a little bit, wrap it in like your seaweed, put a little bit of wasabi and have it as like a little like hand roll almost. Her name is Sujin. It says it right here on her neck. She got it tatted on there.
My name's Sujin.
She got to be a little prettied up, but.